Elijah, all right. Okay, I'm going to start off going over vocabulary. Some of these vocabulary words you've seen, some of them are new, but they're pretty simple, which is nice. This chapter is more stuff on circles and then also polygons. So the first one, circumference, you've seen before. It's the distance around the circle. Distance around a circle. The equation for this is on the reference sheet, so you don't necessarily have to memorize it. You might already have it memorized, but on the reference sheet, it is right here, circle, and then there's actually two equations for circumference. One is 2 pi r, because 2 times the radius is diameter, or just pi times diameter. For the sake of today, we're going to just use circumference equals pi times diameter. Okay, and then arc length, pretty self-explanatory. Let's say this is P and Q, and the question asks for the length of arc PQ, so it's just the length of the arc. So it's like part way around the circle. Radians crossed out because that is no longer part of the standards for high school geometry, so I just crossed it out. We don't have to worry about it. And then sector of a circle is like a piece of the pie, just like a sector of the circle. So one of the lessons, we find the area of a sector of the circle. Okay, and then over on this side, it says center of a regular polygon. So here's a polygon. Here's the center. It's pretty simple. One thing that I do want to point out is this word regular means that all the sides are equal and then all the angles are congruent. So them saying it's a regular polygon, all these sides are the same length and all the angles are the same. Then radius of a regular polygon is exactly what it sounds like. Sometimes I second guess whether you're supposed to draw it to the corner or like the side, but it's the corner. So distance from center to any vertex. Because again, it's regular, so all the sides and angles are the same, so it doesn't matter where you draw it to. It's going to be the same length. Then central angle, exactly what it sounds. Central angle of a regular polygon, just from the center to the vertices. These are all central angles. Because it's a regular polygon, all these central angles will be the same. So we can just do 360 degrees divided by 5 and get 72 degrees. So each one of these angles, 72, 72. And population density, there's a lesson on this, which is kind of random. But population density is how dense a population is in a given area. So like people per square mile or square kilometer. To show it visually, if you're talking about New York City, there is a lot of people in a small amount of area. So this would be like New York City compared to Mayaca, where it's just like a few random people everywhere.